Welcome to your home with Alicia Smith, presented by F&S Building Innovations.
So how many of you guys are looking for extra space for guests to come and stay? If you are, maybe the perfect option is a garage with an apartment. You can add a kitchenette, extra bedrooms, their own bathroom. They're staying with you, but they're not with you all the time. It could be the perfect solution. This garage apartment gave them everything. They've got a great living room to hang out. They've got this gorgeous kitchenette, and it is a full working kitchen because they've got a full range, full refrigerator, this great eat-in island. Who wouldn't want to stay here when they come to visit? This garage apartment has 2 bedrooms, their bathroom, and they've got these great sliding doors opening out onto the deck. When the leaves are down, they even have a view of the lake. Again, who doesn't want to stay here? Some of the things you want to think about when you're creating a space for people to come and stay with you is those things that just make it easier and they're not having to ask you for everything. One of the things these clients did was install a stacked laundry. That makes it great for folks that are staying with you if they need some laundry to be done. They're not having to ask, they're not having to find a laundromat, they can take care of it themselves. So when you're thinking about the exterior of your home, think about the finishes. These clients did a hardy board and batten finish. They've got black doors and windows, which really sets off that white. And then this great Trex deck and this TimberTech framing. When you pull up to this garage, you're like, wow. So maybe you don't need a garage with an apartment for your guests, but maybe your kitchen just needs a refresh, your bathroom's ready for an update, you need a great new deck to hang out with family and friends. Be sure and call the F&S Building Innovations Team. We can help you with renderings to help visualize the space and help you get the project that you want.